Foley art. Is that kind of like stomp? Kitchen music, like stomp? Like
I don't think so, Larry.
no? I see a lot of stuff here, so are we like building something?
The sound of that is this.
Oh, good
It's a
pull,
little
good
too
pull.
papery, to be
I mean, I guess you don't pull it as hard, maybe?
more like that.
Ah, that's good, I like it. All right. Oh, that's a French door closing. Oh, that's good. Watch those fingers. Ooh, that's scary. Oh, he's crying.
Oh, but he's sad because he's cooking onions. For chopping? No, probably not. No.
Nope.
Not quite.
Can we use it to tap?
Yeah. That's not a bad knife sound.
What was that?
The boiling water.
That can be like the pasta going in.
That'll work. That sounds just like sauteing. I love that.
Oh, he burned himself.
This is kinda
And plus
hard
he
to
has
watch.
gloves on too, so like that joint melt into his fingertips. Oh, that's crazy.
Ow! No,
Ooh.
I don't want to do that one. Ow! That's the sauce coming out.
Oh my gosh.
All right.
Ding.
Runner, please.
Oh, that's a good one. I like the runner, please. It sounded very 1970s.
Runner, please.
How you feel?
I think we did pretty good.
I think we did good. I think we got the timing down perfectly.
I think let's sync it up and see how
I
it
should probably
goes.
stop playing with the scissors.
Yeah. All right, great job.
Good job. Not bad.
Ow!
Ding!
Runner, please.
I think we nailed it. Good job.
All right, good job.
Woo!
All right.